been manufacturing tubing cutoff dies for over 60 years. By using two-blade technology, Vogel is able to offer a tool that cuts round tubes with no deformation and minimal burr. Our cutoff dies can also cut square, rectangular, and oval tubing. Because so many Vogel customers have requested videos of our cutoff tools, we have located some vintage footage of a Vogel cutoff die that we're pleased to share with you. Supplied in a die set designed for punch press use, Vogel cutoffs are engineered for efficient manufacturing. Both the blades and the jaws that clamp the tubing may be changed without removing the tool from your press. Because Vogel cutoffs produce a slug, not chips, additional handling for chip removal is eliminated, saving both time and money. Not only are Vogel cutoff blades inexpensive, the vertical blades can be easily sharpened in-house, and Vogel horizontal blades feature dual cutting edges. Cutoff dies are available for round tubes up to 6-inch OD and square tubes up to 3.5 inch. While best results are obtained when cutting aluminum and mild steel tubing, cutting of stainless, half-hard copper, and brass tubing may also be possible. press to provide power. Our hand press is low cost, portable, and easy to use on the job site. With the assembly installed into the housing, simply slide it into the hand press. Attach a long piece of pipe to act as a handle, then slide your pipe over the punch. As you pull the handle, the punch notches through the bottom wall. Simply rotate the pipe upside down and notch again. Markings help you easily maintain alignment, and a positive end stop means every notch will be the same depth. Your notch pipe will mate perfectly at 90 degrees, ready for welding. Vogel makes thousands of sizes of tube and pipe notchers and can accommodate most special requests.